We all have them, those drawers full of things we might need someday. But what if someday is today? Repurposing everyday items isn't just thrifty, it's good for the planet. Instead of buying new, let's get creative with what we already have. Take old toothbrushes for example. Don't toss them out after a few months. With a little heat you can give them a whole new life. Just heat the head of the toothbrush until the plastic softens. Be careful, it will be hot. Now bend the softened head to a 90-degree angle. Hold it in place until it cools and hardens. You've just created the perfect tool for scrubbing those hard-to-reach spots. Grout lines around the faucet, even under the rim of the toilet, nothing stands a chance. This is just one example of how a little creativity can reduce waste. Let's explore more ingenious ways to give everyday items a new lease on life. Forget expensive, chemical-laden cleaners. Your kitchen already holds the secret to a sparkling home. Citrus peels, often discarded without a second thought, are a cleaning powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. Collect those leftover peels from oranges, lemons, and even tangerines. Give them a rough chop and toss them into a jar. Now pour in some vinegar, enough to cover the peels completely. Seal the jar tightly and find a cool, dark corner for it to rest for a few weeks. After their time in the dark, your citrus peels will have worked their magic. Strain the liquid into a spray bottle, dilute it with equal parts water, and there you have it. A natural, effective, all-purpose cleaner. Bathrooms, kitchens, even sticky fingerprints on windows. This citrus solution can handle it all. But the cleaning power of citrus doesn't stop there. Lemon peels in particular have a special affinity for dishwashers. Toss a handful into the cutlery basket before running a cycle. The citric acid works wonders to clean dishes, shine glasses, and even descale the dishwasher itself. Empty cardboard rolls from toilet paper or paper towels are recycling bin staples, but they have hidden potential beyond that. Transform them into delightful bird feeders with a simple and fun project. Grab a jar of peanut butter creamy works best for this, and spread a thin layer on the outside of the cardboard roll. Now, for the fun part. Roll the peanut butter covered tube in bird seed, pressing gently to help the seeds adhere. Find a tree branch or hook on your porch, and hang your new bird feeder using some twine. You've just provided a tasty treat for your feathered friends, while keeping a cardboard roll out of the landfill. Speaking of natural wonders, let's not forget about banana peels. Rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, they make an excellent fertilizer for your plants. Chop up those peels into small pieces and soak them in water for a few days. The resulting liquid is a nutrient-rich boost for your garden, promoting healthy growth and vibrant blooms. We've all encountered them. Those tiny packets that say, "Do not eat." Silica gel packets, often found in shoeboxes or new handbags, are designed to absorb moisture. While their primary purpose is to protect goods during shipping and storage, their usefulness extends far beyond that. Gather those little packets and put them to work around your home. Toss a few into your toolbox to prevent tools from rusting. Place them in cutlery drawers to keep your silverware shiny and rust-free. Store them with important documents or old photographs to prevent moisture damage. You can even slip a few into your shoes after a long day to absorb sweat and prevent odors. From cleaning solutions to bird feeders and moisture absorbers, the possibilities for repurposing everyday items are endless. By embracing creativity and ingenuity, we can reduce waste, save money, and tread more lightly on our planet. Remember, one person's trash can truly be another's treasure.